Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market today, a lot of profit taking took place, and that's why the whole market is down quite significantly. But if we talk about the meme coins, you can see Flocky, Whiff, Bonk, Sheep, everything is in positive, and so is Doge, only down 2%. But if you look at the price action, it is still well above the 16-cent mark. At the same time, the trading volume is still sitting well above 1.4 billion, which is actually more than XRP. And there are some driving factors. First of all, look, Dogecoin is ready for the explosion that everyone is waiting for. Vitalik leads hand on supporting the Dogecoin community, and crypto nets 41 million from the 3 meme projects, and one of them is Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, right now, the biggest thing that's going to be driving all the meme coins is going to be social engagement, and the best way to increase that is simply drop a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the price action. So yesterday we did notice a little bit of a pullback from Dogecoin, and I realized on Twitter a lot of people talking about how when the whole market starts dipping, Doge is going to be not slowing down. And you guys can see yesterday the pullback actually pushed us all the way to 16.1, but since the 16.1 we were able to actually bounce off that. Maybe a lot of limit orders would have been set there, and that's why it acted as such a strong support. Now keep in mind, as you can see, that from there we were able to rebound, and again we're well above the uptrend line. If we're able to stay above the uptrend line by the mid-June, we should be crossing 20 cents in a really easy breeze. And this is just talking about organic growth. I'm not talking about any pumps that can come from any creators or even Elon Musk. If we're just able to show natural growth, it can still make it above 20 cents by mid-June, which is only about 2 weeks away. And I know a lot of you guys will be very happy, because you need to understand, if the organic growth is able to push it above 20 cents, then the FOMO will kick in. There will be a lot of money that will be flowing through Dogecoin, and that's going to cause the price to actually spike quite significantly. Now keep in mind, in the past with any meme token, what usually happens is once it shows a little bit of an uptrend and it's able to break above what's happening, well, simply straight after you will be seeing a really strong spike, because a lot of people believe that the token is going to keep going up. They decide to throw their money into it, and then the price just keeps exploding stronger and stronger. And seeing so many things are happening in the next 2 to 3 days for the US economy, you can see a lot of data is coming out. It will be affecting the whole crypto market, and Dogecoin will be following that trend as well. Now, as you guys can see, in 2021 we went into a consolidation phase for a little bit, and then there was a little bit of a phase where it just exploded, and that's exactly what's happening in 2024 as well, as it's just waiting for the explosion to happen. Now keep in mind, for this to happen, it's gonna be a really big momentum, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna be shocked seeing that. Can Dogecoin do such big numbers? That is crazy. Now talking about Vitalik, now Vitalik has been a supporter of Dogecoin from quite a long period of time, but him just mentioning that the Dogecoin, the original dog that the meme was created of, just saying rest in peace, makes a big difference, because that means he's still paying very close attention to Dogecoin, and let's just say the support makes us very happy. At the same time, CryptoViz nets $41 million from meme coin projects, and one of his largest holding is actually Dogecoin. Now keep in mind, the Dogecoin holding that he has clearly suggests that he still believes that Dogecoin has a lot of potential to keep going up. It's not going to be slowing down anytime soon, and there is still a long way to go. At the same time, the open interest is down 4%, but still well above 850 million. That's exactly what I was trying to say. And the liquidations, let's just say, are not very good when it comes to the long traders, 1.7 million, while the short traders is close to 400k. Now Doge Designer has over 600,000 followers. Now you guys know that Elon has been a follower of him and loves retweeting his tweets, but just recently Doge Designer has actually gone crazy. When I mean crazy is he's been posting so much relating to Dogecoin, it actually makes a huge difference. What I mean by that is, before he used to not talk about Dogecoin as much, but recently a lot of his posts have been Dogecoin related. If Elon decides to retweet any of these, this will have a huge positive impact on the price. Now MACD cross on 2-month chart, last MACD cross 300x in price. Now the same thing has happened, and this could be the next 2 months where we will be seeing some explosion, and probably by the end of July we will be seeing some big numbers that will be dumped into Dogecoin, or I'm talking about the money that will be dumped into Dogecoin, causing the price to go very, very big. Just a reminder, if any meme coin is going to go mainstream, the first it will be Dogecoin, and that's why a lot of people are talking about how there might be a Dogecoin ETF being released. The chances of that happening are very slim, but if that does happen, that would be a game changer. Now the analysts are predicting that Dogecoin still has so much to give, but there's just so much resistance between 16.5 and 17 cents, as I mentioned before. Well, if it does not have that, then we will be actually seeing a lot of momentum. Just keep in mind, all the big whales know what they're doing. If they see that there is so much resistance in this zone, they're not going to try to break out of it. But if just few people decide to just help it break out of that zone, then a lot of the community will drive up the price as the buying power will return. I mean, yesterday we saw that over 75,000 people actually purchased their Dogecoin around this support. Now Dogecoin ETF hype triggers a conflicting growth metrics. This is what I mean. It's really confusing. The chances of an ETF being released for Dogecoin is very slim, but just the idea is actually causing a lot of happiness in the crypto industry. Now Dogecoin poison for a potential breakout could double to 32 cents soon. As I mentioned, breaking out of the 17-cent barrier is going to be super important. Once we're able to break out of that, let's just say FOMO is going to take us all the way to the top. Now we do not need anything to actually slow us down after that. Now Dogecoin price set for a surge to 32 cents as accumulation of 10 billion tokens have been done. So that's just showing you guys how much is happening in the background. Hong Kong regulators set crypto registration deadline. Now this is a big deal because Hong Kong was the only other country that decided, okay, I'm not going to get controversial, but they decided that they will be accepting the ETF, and now they're setting some regulations on crypto. Now Ethereum poisoned for a proposal ETF beyond 4.5k milestone. If Ethereum decides to go over 4.5k, it's obviously going to push up the whole market, and it will be pushing Dogecoin to a new high as well. And other than that, 5 things that Ethereum alts can be doing. Well, let's just say there is so much yet to happen, and especially Dogecoin has its own chain, long way to go. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.